Oh my God, who the hell cares?
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
You stupid.
So long, gay boys!
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
Oh, no! Oh, I'm beached, bro. I'm beached ears.
I like it, firm and fruity.
Well, you might be a cunning linguist, but I'm a master debater.
Allow myself to introduce myself.
Awkward.
How
about new?
I'm Batman.
To Burger King, I want a Whopper add bacon, just put the little cheese on the side.
We like Marlon and Mike. What? When he fight, I fight. What? I'm black as hell, he bright. What? I can ride his bike. Hell nah, nigga. I mean, say that.
Give it to me now.
Give me a two now.
Give it to me now.
Give me a two now.
Give it to me now.
Give me a toonie now.
I said I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy the hamburger.
Hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
You wanna play rough? Huh? Okay.
Messing with me.
I killed for fun.
Hit me 1 time, hit me 2 times, hit me 3 times. Lego. You always up at night?
Cause real niggas don't sleep. We just take long ass blinks like that and get this money.
Hot shit! In the name of Jesus, bless you, honey. Sneezing all on me.
You got a pen, a pencil like a bird. On what? You got a pen, a pencil like a bird. Sorry, one more time. Oh my God.
Yes?
Not you, him. What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you.
I am me. It's me. And I'm you.
Hey, Bartholomew? Yes, Petunia. Will you go to the dance with me? No, Petunia. You little I'm gonna swing from the chandelier.
Alright, bye. I love you.
Oh, what'd you say?
I said Ballaboo too.
Oh.
Stop leaving your banana in my face. I don't even want it. Whoop! Just kidding. I got it. Bloop!
I don't get tired, okay? I don't get tired, okay? I don't get tired.
Bruh. Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Oh my God, it's a pencil.
Oh my God.
Fijian girls be like, ay, Lena Manji.
You are too beautiful for me. I will never do anything that is going to be harm you.
Well, the skills I have is like, I'm very good used to this camera because I'm doing part-time modeling. I got the swag. I think I got the whole package done.